in this project we are addressing implementation challenges of 5G platforms, both for network elements and also for devices. And we are taking an approach where we study software parts and also hardware parts. And in the hardware, we are addressing it in 3 different domains. The analog domain, which encompasses RF transceivers and also antennas. The mixed signal domain, in which we take care of the ADC and DAC conversion stages, and also the digital hardware domain. In the Flex5Gware project, we are focusing mostly on key building blocks, so not on the whole system perspective. And out of these key building blocks, I would like to highlight some progress that we have made in the 3 different domains that I mentioned earlier. So for example, in the analog domain, we have worked on high power amplifiers, which perform very good output power and also a very good energy efficiency in the full frequency range. In the mixed signal domain, I would like to highlight our full duplex transceiver, which is able to transmit and receive simultaneously at the same time. And finally, in the digital hardware domain, I would like to highlight our hardware architectures that allow for hardware and software function splitting, which enable much more flexible and efficient platforms. In this first year, we have been focusing on the key building blocks of the software and hardware platforms, so separate blocks for each one of the 3 hardware domains and also for the software domain. We are demonstrating some of these building blocks in the demo booth here at UCNC. And the focus for the second year is integrating these building blocks together to make proof of concepts that show more advanced ideas rather than simple key building blocks. So the benefits that 5G is going to bring to the society are huge, but of course from our project perspective, since we are focusing on 5G platforms, the 2 benefits that I would like to highlight are, for example, the battery of the mobile devices will last longer because we are making more efficient, energy efficient devices and components. So I guess this is very useful nowadays that batteries don't last very long. And on the second hand, I would also like to highlight that because we are integrating a lot of functionalities in the same component, so essentially less components will be needed to achieve even more functionalities than today. So essentially mobile phones will have less components, so this means that the price will not go very high. So the second advantage would be that we will get more functionalities for the same price, for example.